In its report, the Commission had recommended that a University Grants Commission on the lines of the University Grants Committee in Great Britain should be set up as early as possible. Stop. The Scientific Manpower Committee had also recommended the provision of generous grants for the development of postgraduate facilities in the universities. Stop. The government had accepted these recommendations in principle, but on account of financial stringency, no action could be taken on them at the time. Stop. After the acceptance of the 5-year plan, it was known that some funds had been provided for the improvement of university education, and the Ministry of Education considered the time appropriate for the establishment of a University Grants Commission. Stop. Further discussions have been held by the government to increase the quantum of these funds, particularly in view of the fact that the University Grants Commission would have to deal not merely with the four central universities but all the universities of India. Stop. I am happy to announce that we are now in a position to establish a statutory University Grants Commission with larger funds to look after all universities, and this commission will also serve as an instrument of university reform. Stop. A draft bill has been prepared, and it is hoped that this will be presented to Parliament at an early date. Stop. Para. The consideration of the bill by Parliament and its enactment is likely to take some time. Stop. The government, however, felt that in view of the growing problems of the universities, immediate action was needed. Stop. It has therefore considered it desirable to set up a University Grants Commission in accordance with the resolution of November last and allow it to start functioning immediately. Stop. This commission will consist of 5 members and have one person as chairman. Stop. In order to ensure that the universities do not look upon it as an external body, it has been decided to associate a number of vice chancellors with it. Stop. I am sure you will all agree that this is a momentous decision and will have far reaching influence on the development of university education in India. Stop. I therefore want that the importance of this step and the result which we hope to attain through this commission should be properly appreciated by the people at large. Stop. The first thing I want to make clear is that the commission will be fully free and work independently. Stop. Para. It also gives me great pleasure that on the occasion of this conference we have among us the Director General of UNESCO and the Chairman and a member of the Executive Board. Stop. Their participation will enable them to appreciate the problems and aspirations of a region where more than half of mankind lives. Stop. It will also give the new Director General a deeper insight into the tasks which await the organization in this part of the world. Stop. the proposal to set up national commissions in member states is to be commended for many reasons. Stop. This has resulted in the establishment of a permanent agency for the working out of UNESCO's ideas at many levels. Stop. While the membership of UNESCO is confined only to states, it is obvious that its work must be carried out among the people. Stop. The National Commission, with its close association with various non-official agencies, provided a platform to disseminate UNESCO's programs in many ways. Stop. One may in fact say that UNESCO's work is delegated to these national commissions. Stop. To my mind, the main purpose of setting up the national commissions was, on the one hand, to make UNESCO conscious of the people's needs, and on the other, to make the people conscious of UNESCO's functions and purposes. Stop. The national commissions are therefore the proper agencies to spread UNESCO's ideas and objectives among the people. Stop. One may in fact go so far as to say that UNESCO is active only if the national commissions are active. Stop. Similarly, the national commissions can function properly only if UNESCO is active. Stop.